how can you change your username on your Clapper app. We go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down here, click on this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on your profile, you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. You come to username, you just click on your username here. So then here can you change your username. I'm going to add here my username here, for example like this. You click on save. So I have to add 6 character here. So then you click here on save, then here, so then automatically here it's going to add with you when you add it. So like this here for it. So then here it's going to save with you on your Clapper app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support